Hey guys, what's up, y'all? Hope you've been good. It's been a while since I made a video for the public. My apologies for that, but let me get back into that as well. So let me start off with Bitcoin, right? Because come on, we are all interested in what Bitcoin will do next. So to start off with, I have three possible views on Bitcoin. One of them three will come out nonetheless. So let's see. We rejected here the 58k level. So we broke above its former all-time high, went to 62,000 roughly, and then we had a sign that we broke back below former all-time high. So we didn't held support. Then we had a small glimpse here that we broke above it, that there might be a chance that we were holding support, as I placed on Instagram as well. But eventually we just broke through again, retested, and just smashed all the way down. Now, overall, this is what maybe since all-time high, a 15% drop, which is basically okay. This is still not a horror crash like some are already talking about. But a horror crash might be incoming as well sooner or later. So let's get into that deeper. If we see here price action, we are retesting structure right now. So we broke structure here and we went short-term bearish as well. But we had enough bullish power to break above. So this is a level that should be retested anyway. Now, a very bullish scenario here is if we hold support at this level, we continue all the way to the upside to 58k, maybe break this level. Obviously, next in line is 62k, which is the all-time high resistance basically. And just above that is price discovery. Maybe pull our FIP levels. We see that 71k to round it off is the next target roughly. So this is a very bullish scenario, and this will be my next target in that bullish case. But nonetheless, what's most crucial for this to happen is that we hold support above this level. This level is crucial. Anyway, maybe not. This is my other scenario than in my mind. And I placed this as well already in my public group. I will put the link in my bio or somewhere here on YouTube so you guys can join as well. So, boom, left shoulder here, heads. And let's say we break through this level, next support, then obviously in line is 45k roughly. Then we make a new left shoulder. Then let's say we make a new right shoulder, my apologies for that. We make a new right shoulder, and if we reject this level and we come down here, which will be like unavoidable, and let's say we hold support here. This is as well a bullish case that I want to share with you guys. Maybe we hold support here and we can go back up to 58k and break this level. We break 61, 62k as well. So we break above former all-time high. Then there's nothing much more in the way again to reach 71, 72k. Now again, these are bullish scenarios. And obviously I have to tell you guys as well about the bearish scenarios. So as far as this is going, this might become a head and shoulders, a bearish pattern. Now 95% of the time as well in a strong bullish market, head and shoulders do not always come true. This is something that you should keep in your mind for sure in a bearish and a bullish market. My apologies. So let's say we break through here, this level. Obviously 45k is next. If we hold support here and we make the right shoulder and we come all the way down back here, then we have or two solutions. Or we hold support here, we go further up for maybe let's say consolidation, or we break all the way down with next in line would be around $32,000. So basically only three outcomes. It's not difficult to see this as well. It's pure basic technical analysis, but it's an important view that you guys should have as well. May Bitcoin break down, know that altcoins will bleed as well. Simple as that. Now, the other thing that I want to show is Bitcoin dominance here. Apologies for the sound that you might hear on my mic. They are working here in the hallway, so my apologies for that. But if we go to Bitcoin dominance, we can clearly see this is in a range. This is a range that needs to be broken, or we have to drop down in order for altcoins to fly all the way up. Boom. Or if we break above 63% with nice decent closures, we go up and altcoins will further bleed. It's as simple as that. And for now, it's a range that we have to await what will happen till this pattern gets fulfilled or till price action decides to go into a certain direction. So there's a lot basically on the line right now, and we have to be patient. If we look as well on the weekly, we see nice rejections here, but we as well see that we hold nice support here. So it's really a waiting game for now, guys, and the patience people will eventually win. Now, hope you all enjoyed this video. Gonna round it off for the day. Make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.